everybody? It is MassPup here, and today we're playing some more Brawl Stars. But today, guys, I have done it. I've recreated every single sound in Brawl Stars solo showdown match to my own voice. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. I spent a lot of time on it. Hope you guys enjoy. Dun 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 dun.
Wowza!
I'm
coming.
Dun 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 dun.
Off I go.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun
Ah, shoot.
Dun 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 dun.
What does this button do? Oh, Gale,
Dun 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 dun.
Hooray! Mr. P is gonna be so happy. I'm a-comin'.